Hello, welcome to the past question and answer review session of this particular topic, atomic structure. Without much ado, let's look at how the questions are structured and the answers to them. The first question says, define relative atomic mass. The second question says, what is the phenomenon exhibited in element Z, with element Z having 17 as its atomic number and 35 as its mass number, and also another atom of 17 with the same atomic number 17 with a mass of 37, and we are asked what is the phenomenon exhibited by Z. The answer to the first question is relative atomic mass is the number of times the average mass of an atom is heavier than 1/12 of 12 grams of carbon 12. Number 2, the phenomenon exhibited by element Z is isotopy, whereby an atom having the same atomic number has different mass numbers. And that brings us to the conclusion of the topic, structure of an atom.